Hi, I'm Joanna Lovell, RSM for Marshall Electronics. We have a bunch of new products this year, 2 mini cameras and 2 compact cameras to show you. We have a new weatherproof version of our 574 NDI 4K camera. It's IP only, IP out only, but it is a 4K camera and it is NDI capable. The 574 is a return of that same product. The 520, okay, so this is a mini camera with the addition of an IP out. We also have the 356-10X, which is the newer version of the 355-10X. This has an adjustable ring adapter that can allow you to use ND filters. This is a quad view out of our switcher of all 4 of those cameras right there, side by side, aimed on the flowers. They each have different capabilities. It depends on what your workflow is. We have HDMI, we have SDI, we have IP-based cameras in the miniature format. Use cases are all over sports broadcasting or in a house of worship, along with some other PTZ cameras. They all have interchangeable lenses. These are all in the 500 series, which has an M12 lens. The 300 series has a C-mount lens, but there are lens options for all of these. You tell us how far away your subject is, and we can tell you what lens we think is best. For more information, go to marshall-usa.com.